Hi friends, this is Ailanthus excelsa, also called as a onion tree of heaven. This plant is called as a mahanimb in Hindi, and this plant is found in Asian countries. This plant is used as a medicine in traditional medicine systems. This plant is effective in scarlet fever, tonsillitis, bleeding, external bleeding, asthma, acne, and other diseases. So for more details, please subscribe to my channel and watch detailed video for more information on Ailanthus excelsa. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, sir. Friends, thank you very much.